If you want to automate your follow-ups and save time while managing leads, learning how to use sequences in HubSpot is a very powerful skill, especially for beginners. In this tutorial, you will learn exactly how to create and use sequences step by step, so you can automatically send emails and reminders to your contacts without doing everything manually. Sequences are mainly used for sales outreach, helping you stay consistent with follow-ups and improve response rates. First, log into your HubSpot account and go to the main dashboard. From the top menu, navigate to Automation and then click on Sequences. If you don't see this option, it may not be included in your current plan, so make sure your account supports sequences. Once you are inside the Sequences section, click on Create Sequence. You can either start from scratch or choose a pre-built template to save time. Templates are helpful for beginners because they already include a structured flow of emails and tasks. Now begin building your sequence. Start by adding your first email. Click on Add Email and either write a new email or select an existing template. Keep your message clear, short, and personalized. After the first email, you can add delays, which define how long HubSpot waits before sending the next step. For example, you can set a delay of 2 days before sending a follow-up email. Then add another email or a task, such as a reminder to call the contact or connect on LinkedIn. Continue building your sequence by adding multiple steps, including emails and tasks. Make sure the flow feels natural and not too aggressive. Spacing out your follow-ups properly increases the chances of getting a response. Once your sequence is ready, review everything carefully. Check for errors, broken links, or unclear messaging. Next, enroll contacts into your sequence. Go to your contacts list, select the people you want to include, and click on Enroll in Sequence. Choose the sequence you created and confirm. HubSpot will now start sending emails and reminders automatically based on your setup. You can monitor performance by checking metrics like open rates, click rates, and replies. Another important tip is to personalize your emails using tokens like the contact's name or company. This makes your outreach feel more human and less automated. Also, always follow email best practices and avoid spamming too many messages. In simple terms, using HubSpot sequences involves creating a series of automated emails and tasks, setting delays between them, and enrolling contacts to streamline your follow-up process. This helps you stay organized and improves your chances of converting leads into customers. If you found this tutorial helpful, keep following for more simple and practical guides that help you use tools like HubSpot more effectively.